Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, my test has gone very much good. Ma'am, I got full marks in the test.
Wow, wonderful. I'm sure all of you must have got full marks.
Ma'am, I have also got
Yes,
full marks.
Very
Ma'am,
nice.
it is very easy test.
Yes, that's because you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
studied so well. You all have studied so well. And we have revised so many times.
So, ma'am,
Yes?
I will get marks of that question.
Yes, beta. The last question had just confusing
29.
options. Yes. The 29th question had confusing options. So you'll
Yes,
get marks
ma'am.
for that. Don't worry.
Ma'am, they are the Great Indian Desert and ma'am
And the Thar Desert. Yes.
Ma'am, I have
ma'am.
clicked on the Great Indian Desert.
Yes?
Ma'am, I have clicked on the Great Indian Desert.
Desert. Ma'am, I have also clicked on the Great Indian Desert.
Very nice.
Ma'am, I
Very
clicked on the Thar Desert.
No problem. Thar Desert is also correct. Both are same. It was just to confuse you. That's all.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, but both the options were correct. So, ma'am, children can.
Children got confused. They are getting scared that they lost 1 mark. But nobody lost any mark in that question. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am,
what
ma'am, if you have said that the chapters are coming 16 and 17, ma'am, I thought that ma'am all the things were coming. Ma'am, from the day that the classes, all the classes are ma'am, and ma'am, then only I have revised the chapters, ma'am, clearly because the states, the rivers, and ma'am, we have to also revise all the things.
Yes, very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, I have studied the chapter at night.
Ma'am, today so we will Ma'am,
One by one. Okay,
Okay.
wait. One by one. Now let me listen to what Dave is saying. Yes, Dave.
Ma'am, if any student read the question of the the 29th question, which is the which is the last 29th, तो मैम वो चेक उसको अगर ध्यान से पढ़ेगा तो वो किसी पे भी लगा सकते हैं, दोनों सही जाएंगे.
Yes. Your marks will not be cut for that question. Don't worry.
Ma'am, today we will do an activity.
Yes, ma'am, today we can do it.
Okay, now Varun was also saying something. Yes, Varun, say.
Yes, ma'am. And today we will complete our this activity.
Which activity?
Ma'am, types of waste.
Yes. Nobody has sent me the types of waste. I only saw Iram's poster. Where are other children?
Ma'am, can I send?
Yes, send. Of course, send. I'm going to show it to everyone in school that students are doing so well. Everybody send me your poster of this thing. Types of waste.
Ma'am, only I have to color. Ma'am, I have all types of waste.
But Dave, Arya, listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully. You are not a KG class baby. So you are going to color it very well, very neatly. You're going to outline it very nicely. It should look like a 4th class student has done this work. Yes, good. Very nice. Now it's good, Dave. It should look like it's a 4th class student's work. It should not look like a KG class student's work. Yes. Somebody else was also saying something? Jayesh, open your camera, beta. Jayesh Gunagya. I have not received any posters. Why so? Are you doing this one, Jayesh? Let me know. Beta, for all this work, you are going to get marks. You're going to get scores for your copy, your notebook work, your discipline. You know you have 10 marks for that? Discipline
Yes,
and
ma'am, I
notebook
know.
work. Yes? So this all includes that. Don't take this work lightly.
Ma'am, for which we have 10 marks?
What?
Ma'am, which we have 10 marks?
For discipline and notebook.
Beta, all your class
Okay, ma'am.
class work. See, one
Okay,
is
ma'am.
exams. Students don't attend the class and just give exams and get marks. One is this thing that how you do your classwork. You're going to get marks for that. So you have to do this work, children. Don't miss all this. Fine?
Yes,
Anybody
ma'am.
wants to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
It is.
Ma'am, I have to outline.
Yes,
the
beta, you
answers.
have to
So, ma'am,
outline.
can I outline and then send?
Yes, you have to do it very nicely, beta, very neatly. Now, howsoever you can do it neatly, nicely by outlining with the same sketch pen or by outlining with black sketch pen, that's your choice. Till then, even I will do some work, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You can do. अरे ये तो पिक्चर चाहिए ना पिक्चर्स. वाली बनाओ. Ma'am, I have done the different types of wheels. Can I send it to you?
Yes, beta, send it.
Ma'am, I have sent my project.
Okay, I'll check it, beta. Very nice, Iram. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let me see what Anshuman has sent. Beautiful work, Anshuman. Very good.
Now what, ma'am? We have to do the activity.
Now let everybody finish this one, no, Iram? Then we are going to start the next one.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please see it is correct. Now I have to color it. Ma'am, my coloring is only left.
Yes, beta, it's looking nice from here.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a query in TK. Ma'am, can I ask?
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, there is a question. Answer the following question by looking at the figure. What is the sum of numbers common to only the circle and square and not to any other shape? And ma'am, the answer is 10. Ma'am, how can it comes? Ma'am, I have sent the image also to your personal number.
Okay, let me see, beta. Have you sent the image now, right now, or before?
Ma'am, before.
Okay, I got it. What is the sum of numbers? Which one? A, B, C. Which one?
Ma'am, B1.
Common to only the circle and the square, not to any other shape. Now see, which numbers are falling in the circle also and in square also. The numbers are 2, 3 and 5. Isn't it? 9,
Yes, ma'am.
beta 9 is falling in rectangle. 6 is falling in triangle. 3 is also falling in triangle. So we can't count these numbers now. We need only the common numbers between square and the circle. So which are those common numbers?
So, ma'am, they are number so, ma'am, they are numbers. So, 2, 3, 5, 7, 3, 9, 4. Ma'am,
No.
those are the numbers.
7394 7394 देखो square में है नहीं है.
No,
It is
ma'am.
not in square, it is just in circle. Again,
Okay,
read the
ma'am.
question. What is the sum of the numbers common to only the circle and the square and not to any other shape?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
So, ma'am, we have to count only 2, 3, 5.
Yes, we have to calculate the sum of the numbers falling in both the shapes.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, the C1, what is the sum of the numbers common to the circle and rectangle but not to the any other shape?
Okay. What is the sum of the numbers common to the circle and the rectangle? Circle and rectangle. Okay. So see, I can see only two numbers. They are 7 and 5. They are coming in circle also and they are coming in rectangle also. And the total is 12.
Ma'am, 7 and 5. Ma'am.
बेटा देखो आप कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो.
How to do this question?
You are getting confused in number 9 also, right? But number 9 is coming in square, so we can't count that.
Okay, ma'am.
What
Okay,
are
ma'am.
they? Wait, what are they saying? They are saying, what is the sum of the numbers common to only circle and rectangle, not to any other shape? 7 and 5 are the only numbers.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 7 and 5 are in the circle and rectangle.
Yes. Rest, if we see other numbers, they are coming in square also, they are coming in triangle also. We don't have to count them.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Ma'am? Ma'am,
Yes, बच्चे.
ma'am, I have done. Can I send it on your WhatsApp?
Yes, send it. Good work, Dev. Beta, do you have a pen or a sketch pen so that you can outline these things that you have drawn? Dev Arya?
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, just outline it and you yourself will see the difference. How beautiful it will start
Okay,
looking.
ma'am. Ma'am, I am going to outline it.
Mom, I have sent in my chart paper and your personal number. Please check it.
Okay, Varun, wait. Good, Varun. Good work. Nice.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Start paper coordinator.
How many are left to show me? Utsav. Utsav, you haven't shown this work to me. Or have
Ma'am, I
you?
am trying.
Okay,
Ma'am,
you're
I am
drawing.
trying.
Lakshita, I'm waiting for your work also. Rachit, your drawing is also very good. I'm waiting for it. And other students who have not shown me, Agrim, Abhimanyu, what about you? Rachit, are you drawing this? Are you doing this work? Rachit Singh is not replying. What about Lakshita?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Very good, beta. Feel the difference now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so this is how it should be. Now it's looking so good, so bright.